Hey guys, what's up? So you'll see here we got a red filter light that just appeared here on the Samsung refrigerator. Good news is it's super simple to replace this thing, so you'll get back up and running in no time. All it is replacing the old filter, unscrewing the old one, screwing the new one back in, obviously cleaning out everything on the top shelf before we can get back to drinking fresh, clean water again. So let's get started. So first part on this, you'll see on this left-hand side here, you got unlock when you're taking it off, and on the right hand, you got lock when you're putting it back on. So in order to take this one off, you need to grab it. Water's probably gonna come out of it. You need to unscrew it. You wanna be careful because once you bring it out, there's gonna be water within this. See, I mean, there's not too much. I tend to buy these things in bulk, and once you take them out of the box, they should be wrapped in plastic, but you obviously want to take this plastic off first. All right, so once you get that plastic off, there's actually another plastic covering on top of this. You want to pop it off, and then, as I was talking about earlier, there's an unlock, and then there's a lock on the right side of this filter. Just going to want to push it right back up. You got to get it in alignment. Pretty good. Oh, let's see. So I'm starting off left here. Push up, and then you want to rotate. When you rotate, you're going to hear water start filling up in the filter just to make sure everything is going okay. But yeah, as long as you don't see any leaking, you should be good to go. Let's shut this. Actually, I'm going to put all this back away because if I don't, it's going to spoil. All right, you see this red filter light's on. So the final step of this, given that we have the filter and everything replaced, good to go, we're gonna hit this alarm button and we're gonna hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. After you do that, it should reset to blue. Actually lied, there's one more step. So you just reset this filter light. Last thing you wanna do is hit the water and make sure you get all these bubbles out of the water line. It may just have some explosions or go psh, psh, or make these weird noises for a little bit. This is actually normal. It's going to happen the few first iterations of going through this. That's just to make sure you get the bubbles out. But once you get that filter replaced, get your light done, get the air out, you, my friend, are good to go. So cheers to nice, clean, healthy water. If you enjoy what you saw, subscribe to the channel. We'll be posting more videos in the future. Peace.